Hi, I'm James, and in this video we are taking a look at Grand Theft Auto 5 running on the AMD Ryzen 5 5625U Barcelo processor and the Intel Core i5-1235U Alder Lake-U processor. The testing is being run on the two laptops you can see here, which we have looked at previously on the channel. On the left we have the Ryzen-based Dell Inspiron 14 5425 laptop, and on the right we have the Alder Lake-U based Dell Inspiron 16 5620 laptop. So these are very similar chassis designs with very similar cooling despite their difference in size, and should give us the closest possible comparison between the two. For benchmarking, we are running the game at 1080p in the low detail settings for the game, and we are using the built-in benchmark for the title. And here we have the whole of the built-in benchmark running side by side on the two systems. And one thing I will note is that the Alder Lake-U system is running with DDR4-3200 memory. Alder Lake-U does support DDR5, but this test system uses the same DDR4-3200 as in the Ryzen 5 5625U base machine. That is purely because when I was purchasing the systems, Dell were the first to have a Alder Lake-U available here in the UK, and that was a DDR4 based system. So with that in mind, we do see a pretty big advantage for the Barcelo Ryzen 5 system, and the average frame rate given here is for this final section of the test, giving the fly-through behind the jet and then going through the city itself with some combat and vehicle. And we can see there is a big advantage here. The AMD base system averages over 61 frames per second, whereas we are getting, over 20% lower frame rates on the Intel Core i5-1235U base machine. This is really quite surprising. I was expecting better from the 12th gen machines. I really want to go back and test it against an 11th gen machine I have here as well, because I do wonder if something is hurting the graphics performance of this relative to its predecessor as well. So with that in mind, if you're looking at the integrated graphics performance based purely off of this test, I would definitely be saying AMD seem to have an edge here. They have better drivers and generally better compatibility than Intel for the most part, and in this title particularly they seem to have just quite a bit better performance. Quite a disappointing display from the Intel Iris Xe and the 12th gen chip here. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, hit like and leave a comment with any other tests you'd like to see us running in the future, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos as we post them. We also now have the super thanks option, so if you found this really helpful and want to contribute towards the costs of the channel, then please do use that as well. Thanks for watching.